I think I might need some new swing arm bearings. I'm off to the powder coater with a frame, a swing arm. There's 12 parts in there. There's going to be more parts. Bringing this wheel along, I'm going to ask them about, after I have this thing polished, if they can tape it off and powder coat gold on there for me. Next little project is to remove the tires off of these wheels. I got a hold of the guy that works where I work. I'm going to hand off these wheels and the footrests and maybe the forks to have him do a polish on them. I need to get the tires off. I'm not going to video this. I have made videos of this. It's not my favorite thing to do. I struggle with this No More tire machine. I got 2 tires off of 2 wheels. Started with the front because I thought it would be harder, and the front came right off very easily, and I struggled with the rear. I don't know about this thing. I think now I'm going to take a brush with maybe something like soft scrub and scrub these wheels, the gold part, real good. Then I can hand them off to the polish guy. There's the wheels after scrubbing with soft scrub. That front wheel came out beautiful. I wouldn't even repaint it if the rear wheel came out the same. But it has a different hue and it's not very even in its coloring. So these wheels will get painted. I pulled another one out. This is the rear that was on my yellow bike. And I cleaned one section, but it looks kind of faded where this original one here is just a beautiful gold color. So I'll not use those wheels, and I'm going to paint these wheels. Bonus footage, putting tires on the Carrozziera wheels on the RZ500. 1 tire done. Might have to do the front tomorrow. I may put a new rear on this one at the same time. 2 new tires on the RZ500. That's done. Got fresh new takeoffs on front and rear on this thing. Had 4 tire swaps and 2 dismounts. That thing beats the heck out of me. I'm going to take a break. I pulled another NC2 body set I had stored away, and that guy is all bent back in that area. That's a nice side panel. Needs to be redone though, repainted. A beautiful new old stock Yamaha front fender. Another chin fairing, another nose fairing that's in real good shape. And most importantly was this tank. I was hoping this tank would come back enough to put it on without having to worry about repaint, but it's just got too many little chips and stuff. I started polishing and waxing. It's a no dent tank, which is unusual, but it would require repaint, just like my other one. All of this stuff really needs to be repainted. Darn it.